So last time we added a route, we configured the route so that it had to have a parameter sent back, and then all we did was just basically repeat the ISBN we sent back and displayed it in the browser on the front end. Well, let's actually get us a book, shall we? So we've got our books is book data, and we've said global books, which but anyway, so we're hitting this object that's been declared in global scope, and so I'm going to now run a method on it, get by ISBN, and we need actually books dot get by ISBN, and then we should probably get an ISBN, and then we'll pass that back. Not hard coded. Dang it, Terry. ISBN. And so we can say book is equal to, is that ambiguous? No, global books, books dot, and we got book data. So let's say book gets passed back book. And then if it's successful, so books.get by ISBN. If we don't find it, it'll return none. So what we could do is say if book count, we'll do count up here. Count is equal to 0. If book count equals 1. We could, if we got a list of books, we'd do the length of the list and all that. So we'll pass back the count. Else success is equal to false. Here we'll say sex is equal to true. And so we got count success. We update them, and then we'll pass back success and the book. And this will be none, and it'll be count as 0, success is false. So we should still get something back without erroring if it doesn't work. But let's run it. And then we go to the front. I've got my book route with my ISBN on it. Just refresh it. It's not what I expected. I did save it. We are in 5. 5 is running. And let's print the book here and see what happens when we hit that route again. I'm gonna actually kill it. Refresh up for, I don't know. This is just me being weird. Okay, start it up again. We're on help 5. It's all listening. Refresh. Yeah, success is true. Count is 1. Book, but oh wait. What am I doing? Oh, interesting. I think same name as that. I think that's my problem. Let's just call this data. I don't know what I'm doing. Copy, print data, if data, data. Okay. Let's try this again. Making me mad. So let's book by ISBN. Oh shit. If the ISBN is equal to the ISBN, don't return just the ISBN, people. Return the whole object. Damn it, Janet. Save. Oops. Command Z. Save data, 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 and then if book, return book, Come on, people, what's going on? Here it is. Annoying. Alright, well there's all my stuff for that book. And it printed in the console, which I don't want that anymore. It's taking up the whole console. Alright, so what did we do? Added a route. We'd already done that. But this time I used my class that basically just gets something out of my books.json. And we packaged it up a little nicely. And we sent it to the front end so it can get displayed. What you do with it on the front end would depend on your JavaScript within your page, and you could, I don't know, go through that and only pick things out of it that you wanted. All right, see you in the next video.